Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn how you can create a remarketing audience in a Google Analytics 4 and how you can target that audience in a Google ad account to create a remarketing campaign. So this is one of the most important campaign inside your Google ad account, because remarketing can bring a lot of conversion, because end of the day remarketing is just a reminder to those people who have visited your website. So how remarketing works: let's say somebody have visited on your page and they haven't bought, or they haven't signed up, or they haven't downloaded the product you want them to download. So in that scenario, what we can do, we can create a remarketing audience inside a Google Analytics, and then we can target those people through our Google ads. Although you can make an audience inside the Google ad as well, but in my experience, what I have seen that the campaign convert more if we make a audience inside a Google Analytic and target those audience through our Google ad. So what we need to do, first thing, we need to check if we have our Google Analytic is connected with our Google ad account. So all you have to do, go in your Google, in your tools and setting, and then go in your linked account, and here you can see that this is a Google Analytic 4. Google Analytic Universal Analytic is not working anymore, so make sure you have corrected your Google Analytic account with it. Okay, so once that is done, all you have to do, come up here in a Google Analytic, go up in admin, and once you are in the admin, come up here in an audience. Okay, as you can see that we have created the audience in here. You can create as many as audience you want, but be more realistic, what sort of be more clear about what sort of people you want to retarget, as it's all depend on your needs, it's all depend on your website, or what sort of people you want to remarket. Okay, so remarketing can be done like, if let's say somebody visited on your homepage but they haven't visited your thank you page, or somebody has visited on your t-shirt page, or t-shirt product page on your website, and but they haven't complete the purchase and you want to target this one. So one thing I learned in my learning, that is people need like a 7 touches before they make a decision. I don't know if that is true or not, but according to my experience, what I have seen, that all of remarketing campaign I have done for my client, they have generated a very good amount of conversion, which is cheaper than the original campaign. So it's just a consistent reminder to the people who are you are targeting. Okay, so how we're gonna do that? So we're gonna come up here in a new audience. So here, what we're doing here, we need to make a create a custom audience. Here we can give a name. So what we're trying to do here is, we are targeting people who have visited our menu page but they haven't bought. So we're gonna give a name, visit menu, not purchase. Okay, so that's what we're doing. Okay, and then up here we gonna say page view, so that comes under events here, and then add parameter. So what we're gonna do here is page location. So which location we are targeting here, page location contain / menu. Okay, so what we have did here, we are saying people who view our menu page, and then we want to exclude people who have bought. Okay, so add group to exclude. Here, exclude user when, add new condition, let's say page view, add parameter, let's say page location again, and then here complete. Okay, so what kind of audience we are making up here is people who have visited our menu page. Okay, and we are excluding people who have complete their purchase while visiting their menu page. So in that case, we want to exclude people who have made the purchase, we don't want to target them. Okay, so we can set up here exclude from audience permanently. Okay, so we are saying exclude them permanently. So out of 233 people who have visited, only 22 people have visited this particular page complete, or this can be like your thank you page, or your successful order, or whatever the the URL you want, the your complete purchase one is. So you can write down page location / complete, so you can see that. And then here you can set up a membership duration, like you want to track a 30 days, 60 days, 80 days. So it's all depend on your business, but if you are doing a remarketing, I think it's better to have a 30 days. But if you want to do go longer, 180 days, depending on your business or the your purchase cycle of your customer, you can do that one. Okay, and then we're gonna say save. So here visit menu, not purchase. So it require 24 hour before that this audience will be appear in your Google ad account. Okay, so once you have made your audience here in a Google Analytic, what you need to do is come in Google Ad, just come up here in the tools and setting, and then go up in your audience manager. Okay, so this is where you will see all of your audience up here, which you have created inside the Google Ad or in a Google Analytic. Just keep in mind it takes 24 hours the audience reflect here. Okay, as you can see that here, which is visit menu, not purchase, which we just created. So I checked this site after 2 hours. So normally it's done in 2 to 3 hours, but if you don't see it, it might need 24 hours to be reflected here. Okay, so give it a couple of hours. If it doesn't happen, then just wait 24 hours, as it is saying that it's too small to serve. And which is our next thing, that for search, YouTube and Gmail campaign, you need active 1000 member to target those people. Otherwise you wouldn't be able to target if you have a less than 1000. And in display is, I think the minimum is only 100 active members. Okay, so that's the pre-requirement. Okay, let's go in a Google Ad and let's make a display remarketing campaign. In display remarketing, we're gonna target this particular audience which we have visited homepage 2023. Okay, so let's go back, click on new campaign without guidance, come up here in a display, and you can choose the goal if you want, or you can delete it from here. If you delete from here, it will not get deleted from your main account, so it's just from this campaign. So we're gonna leave this one as it is. Okay, but make sure you use only the goal which you want to track from the display. Okay, and here you can give a display remarketing. Okay, display remarketing, start new, and then you can choose the location, whatever location it is, or if you want to choose a specific location, any pin code or postcode, you can do that one. But for this tutorial purpose, I'm only doing that one. Then you can choose the language, and here are all the other settings, like if you want to add rotation, if you want to schedule, or you want to target a specific devices, or if you have any URL campaign URL option to track it, or if you want to do a dynamic. So this is all, everything is in here. Okay, we're not gonna touch that one, and we're gonna go next. Here you're gonna decide what's your budget and what's your bidding strategy. Okay, so set your average daily budget, let's say $20, and then target CPA, automatically maximize conversion, so manually set bid. So whatever you feel comfortable, just let's say $2, and then you're gonna come up here in targeting. So this is where you're gonna target the audience which we have made in Google Analytics and imported to the Google Ads. Okay, so you're gonna come up here in audience segment, and then here in browse, and this is how they have interacted with your business. Okay, and then we're gonna come up here in a website visitor. So here, this which is visited homepage 2023, and then you're gonna target this one. So this is the another option which is optimized targeting. So what it's saying is the Google can go beyond your remarketing audience and target people who are not in your remarketing. So if you don't want that one, you can just simply unclick this box. So that means we are only targeting people who have visited our page. So I think it's better to leave it off, because we don't want to target a cold audience who never came to our website. We only targeting people who have came to our website. Okay, and then next. And then here, what you can do here is you can put your final URL, you can put your business name, like put in the images according to your business need, put your logo. If you have any video, you can put it up here, all the headline, 5 headlines, then your long headline and description, and that's it. That's how you set up your remarketing campaign or display remarketing campaign as well. Okay, so today we learn how to make a custom audience inside a Google Analytics and then remarket those particular audience through Google Ad. I hope this video has provided you enough value and you will be able to set up your own remarketing campaign and make your own custom audience inside Google Analytics. And if you have any other question regarding your custom audience or remarketing campaign, please share your views in the comment section and I will reply accordingly. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.